Google is rolling out more Gemini features to Gmail, bringing upgrades like AI-generated summaries of email threads. These updates will be released in phases, and some features will be enabled by default, so users who prefer not to use them will need to opt out. When you open an email with dozens of replies, Gmail now synthesizes the entire conversation into a concise summary of key points. Google is also adding AI overviews, which appear at the top of search results directly into Gmail. These changes are part of Google's broader push to embed Gemini AI technology across its consumer products, leveraging its massive user base to compete with companies like OpenAI and Anthropic in the rapidly growing generative AI market. Gmail now serves over 3 billion users worldwide. Last year, Gemini integration in Gmail allowed users to search messages, draft emails from prompts, improve grammar, and generate custom responses. One of the latest features is suggested replies, which uses the context of your emails to create one-click responses, updating the previous Smart Replies tool. Google is also enhancing its proofreading option to help check grammar and make messages more concise. Alphabet, Google's parent company, recently surpassed Apple in market cap for the first time since 2019, driven by rapid advancements in AI. Meanwhile, OpenAI reached a private market valuation of $500 billion late last year, and Anthropic announced a $350 billion valuation in a new funding round. As Google continues to innovate with Gemini, users can expect even more AI-powered tools in their inboxes soon.